Sunil here from Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. We're just doing a pressure clean today around a customer's house. As you can, we'll be doing all the tiles around the pool as well as this area. As you can see here, I've already done a test spot for the lady so she knows what to expect. These tiles are going to come up so good she's going to have to put sunglasses on once the sun shines on them. Okay, so this is using hot water. She's specifically requested it because she didn't want to use any chemicals. So but let me show you here. This is the joy of pressure cleaning and the joy of delivering great results for people. So as I say in many of my videos, and one of the major reasons for why you should keep your spaces clean is the joy of how light bounces. If you look here, the light absorbs into these stones, and if you watch here now, the amount of light that is reflected off that surface now allows you to enjoy it more so, and more importantly creates a more spacious feeling around your property, and fundamentally contributes to your well-being, because light and space directly give you a feeling of well-being. I don't know if you've noticed that, but that we certainly have. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if we can help you with some tiles or with some washing of your homes or any exterior cleaning, give us a bell. We'll be happy to give you a quote.